Welcome to Bangladesh. Sabaton. You got the googlies. Got here, man. Nice and safe. Loads of things. But we're here. Baba. Hello. I think I've spotted my luggage. No, it wasn't even mine. It's mad out here, boy. People just grabbing it. I need to find where mine is. That one there. I'm gonna go around. This is crazy, man. Hour later, we're still in the airport, waiting for our luggages. Look at this. Sweating. Oh my goodness me. All because of this belt system. We're here now. Sun's out. I'm loving it, mate. Fucking in a t-shirt. I left Cambridge and it's raining, and now I'm in the sun. Jeez. Big up. Sorry, right, let's go, boys and girls. Via the car. I'm sitting in the back. See you night. Oh, what? Wifey's back home now, yeah? Let's have a little look, see wifey. So the update is, it's been about, we left at 6 UK time. Obviously I was awake that whole day, I didn't sleep one bit on the plane. And the time is now, let me check my phone because I still got the UK time on. It is, what's the time here now? 1 o'clock. And in England it's 7 in the morning. So it's been 36 hours I haven't slept. Man, look at these nutcases, man. You're mental, man. Here, I can smell the cow manure. We're deep in the villages. We're here in the look at the mud houses, tin houses, and then you got the concrete, which they didn't paint. Do tin bar kora lagbo. Huh? We're here now. Bruv, the outside did need painting, innit? It's actually horrible. Only the inside got painted. Outside's a state though. Inside's okay. Kidago. Stack full of hay. My battery's low, 6%. I think I'm gonna go charge. Let's have a look at the house one more time. Sakay na, bon. I've reserved this bad boy. Huh? Dirham. Gee, massive night tick on the side of the window. Lovely little spoiler. Jeez. Just on the outside of my walls of my house. With the boys already here. Otto, and 100%.
Na Paris lo iya dia mu khori lai mai to ana khori lai mu.
For give an update. So we're going to the main bazaar because I need to go get an outfit for Friday prayer tomorrow. And I need to get a SIM card so I can contact some of the people back in the UK. So yeah.
গাড়ি চালাইছে ওটা কত বছর চালাইছো আমার 2-3 বছর চালাইয়া ব্যাটারি গেছে বুঝলা কত টাকা দিই করছো
কত লাগে
ব্যাটারি খাই দিছো ভাই ওই ঠিক কর দাও না এটা আমাদের আই লাগিলা যাও লাগে তো লাগে
Right, my cousin's telling me there was a bridge here, but they're redoing it now. Got a cow in the middle of nowhere. Look, they're redoing it again, Bangladeshi style, man.
Bridge.
I'm looking, mate.
Bangladesh bridge.
Cuz, let's go. They got me walking on this on the first day. Look at this, bro. Look at that. Raw, man. Why দেখাইছি না ও ব্রিজ দেখাইছি আজকে
বাংলাদেশের ব্রিজ হয়
ওটা সপ্তাহ নয়া করছে
না এটি তুললিব
তুললি লইব ওইটা পুরানার নি
এটা এখন কাজ শেষ হইছে না
sorry guys, this is the old bridge. They're taking it apart, so they've made this one for the time being. You see the holes don't go through it, mate.
That was a bit scary, that bridge.
Sick bridge. Police station. What, this police station, yeah? Reckon got me taking the police station and that, mate. That's the last thing I'll do. Yeah. That's not the police station, it's the police station, isn't it? There's some street food there, which I ain't touching. But this is the local one. Well, not the local one, but the big local one in my village. Yes, bro. Yeah, bro. What are you then? Can I? We're going in the Sultan, yeah? $44 or 40.
You want medium, bro, yeah?
Yes, that's fine.
Oh, that would look nice, wouldn't it?
Salvata nahi. Na beshi bhayo na bhai. Khali ami
বেশি choice দিও না ওটা 42 নি প্লেন সাদা
Yeah, I'll try that then. Let me try
ট্রাই
it.
করতে নি
They robbed me, bruv. £25 for that. Right. Walaikum salam. Where is it, man? I'm looking for some the chicken strips they had back in the day. Chicken strip, hasn't it? Chicken strip. Ask Laura by side বছর আগে দেখি আগে আসেনি তারা
আছে আমরা তো ইসলাম 6 বছর আগে
These are cakes, by the way, Bangladeshi cakes. What?
ফ্রিজারে কাপড় নি ডিপ ফ্রিজার
Yo, what you boys getting, man? What do you want? You've got an option of gear. You have here, this one is turbo. You got the Sprite. You got the Googly. You got the Magenta, man. Which one do you want? Kundazar? You want Houston? You want Houston? Ita mone hoy kita lahan. Red Bull lahan. Oh, this one. Ita Red Bull nai de bhai. Ita aro jato, but aloi lai dene.
এটা কত এটা 40 টাকা তো ওটা খাই দেন
ও দেখো কিতা চাইনি তুমি লই লাও আমারে পানি দাও ভাই আমি পানির বেটা ঠান্ডা পানি ঠান্ডা পানি ঠান্ডা পানি has to be cold, bro.
On the way to Sylhet,
Yeah.
that one after the bypass.
Yeah, that what we just went. All right.
ইংলিশটাও দইরা হইতা আছে
ভাই ওটা দিতাম না ওটা এমনি আমরা ট্রাক মনে হয় ওকে
আচ্ছা কিতা চাও বল ড্রিঙ্ক তো তা
ওকে রে
ইশো
কেন আইবা লাগে তো হইছে
আল্লাহ আল্লাহ আগে দা
এটা ভালো লাগে
তোর মিষ্টি কয়
রেড ডোজা
আর তোমরা দেখতে তাকাইছো দেখো
আমার দুইটা I need two. One for me, one. Yeah.
আমার মোবাইল কই
আমার মোবাইল আছে here, I'll take it.
মোবাইল দেওয়ার পরে কানেক্ট করে দেওয়া যায় এটা ঢুকায় আবার
আমারটা কেস গুলা লাগবো স্ট্রং কেস অনটা কি look oh no না ও আঙ্গুলা রাও oh no yeah that one
So, you getting new than your missus? You want me to get it?
da bhai let's go. We're at the local bazaar now. This is only 5 minutes away from my house, my local village. Obviously can't see much now, but I'll show you guys in the morning or in the daytime. Tomorrow I've got to straight away fly to my in-laws after Friday prayer.
শুনবা আমারটাই দেব
Where's the SIM card? আমার SIM card কয়?
এই সময় দিন নে
আমার SIM card where's that go?
আর আইতাম দেব
Oh, okay. আমার SIM card দিলা ভাই ওনা হারাইলাও yeah look oh khatat I'm just getting the SIM card sorted obviously that's the first thing we need to do is get the SIM card sorted so we can chill and our mobile's working you get me welcome to Bangladesh